Hey guys, how's everybody on this, what is it, Monday? Yeah, Monday the 9th. How's everybody doing? First thing, right off the top, I want to thank everybody for the great comments that you've been leaving on my last 2-3 videos and everything with Deadpool and the train layout and all whatnot. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. Next thing is, this will probably be my last video for a little while. I'm having to take an unplanned trip up to Virginia to stay with my mom for a little while. So we're going to be out of the loop for probably about 2 weeks, maybe 3. So as far as my Bandai build goes, I'm going to have to put that on hold. So that one's probably definitely going to be late. We're going to be leaving this Friday morning, and then, like I said, I'll be gone for like 2-3 weeks, so I'll be getting back right about the end of March. So I will be doing it as soon as I get back, but it's going to be late. Then next thing is, I've got some stash editions here that I've just recently picked up, and I've still got 2 more coming yet, but I'm not sure when they're going to be here. They were ordered quite a while ago, but they're both coming from China. So, you know, with the good old virus that's going around and everything, things are really slow in shipping, so I'm not sure when they're going to get here. I did get a shipping confirmation that they have shipped, but then I got a follow-up email that said that they were going to be delayed, so who knows. And one of those is my egg plane, so my egg plane build may also be late. But can't help that. Can only do what you can do, you know. So let me get the camera turned around here, and I'll show you what I did pick up. Be right back. First thing we picked up a new little Ming plane here. C-17 Globemaster transporter plane. And this one is really going to be cool. This one will be making its way to my bench here real soon. And I'll show you the reason why. This even comes with a little M1 tank that you can have the rear cargo door opened, and then the M1 tank will fit inside of the plane, or like right on the cargo door there, like they're loading it, which is how I'm going to build it. I will be putting this one on a base and then having it look like it's on a tarmac or something, and it will be either loading or unloading the little tank. So I thought that was pretty cool for, I mean, you know, being one of these small egg type planes. It's not actually an egg plane, but it's similar, about the same size, a little bigger. So that's that one. And get that out of the way. Then the next one I picked up is the 1/700 scale Titanic. I picked this up from Hobby Lobby. And if you've been following my channel for a while, you know I built the big Scale Titanic. God, I can't remember if that was a 300 scale or a 350 scale. I don't remember now, but it was the big one. And but I had built that one in a diorama of it sinking, like right after it had hit the iceberg. Well, I've got something planned. I got a special build planned for this one, and so that will be coming up real soon, because it's something that I've never done before, and I'm really anxious to try it out and see how it works. So this one will be coming up soon. And next, the next ones are for the train layout. I got this town and factory building set, but it's 13 N-scale buildings for the train layout. And these are you can see all the different buildings that it comes with there. But this is going to be my kind of like a downtown section, since they're all pretty much the same period, and so that way it'll look like the whole downtown section was all built at one time. So that's what I'm going to be doing with this one. And man, this one came with all kinds of stuff. Like I said, it comes with 13 different buildings, and then I'll show you here just real quick. Each one is packaged individually. So like that's this one. It's called the Pioneer Press. This one would be the Real Theater. That's pretty cool. Gonna have a movie theater downtown. Can't have it downtown without having a movie theater. But some different roof details that are like vacuum formed, and then a bunch of dry transfers. But what I thought was really cool is it comes with this little bag, and this little bag has got, these are all metal casted parts, but it's got a couple of ladders in it. It's got street lights and like gas tanks, like for propane gas or something, and just all kinds of really little barrels, and it's all in N scale. So a lot of nice little detail parts in this. So I'll go through all this a lot more as I get into building this. But that's going to be the next section that I'm going to be concentrating on with the layout. Is I'm going to start building up the town section, putting some buildings on it and all that kind of good stuff. So, and then the other thing that I picked up is I was going to try my hand at these paper models. I've been watching a few videos on these, and these look kind of cool. And you download the pattern form, and then print them out just like I've got done here, and then you fold them, and it makes the scale, you know, whatever it is, house. Like all these that I got, I got the package deal on it, but these are all they're all houses, because I've got the buildings for downtown, but I didn't have any houses, so I wanted to get some houses and the instructions on how to put it together. So I got that one. Then I've got that one with the garage. And this one with the garage. And don't want to get these mixed up. Got that one with a garage. This one. This one. This one. And they're all printed, you know, in color and everything. So, you know, don't even have to worry about painting them or weathering them or anything. Although there is a lot of detailing that you can do to them. Like you can buy the small balsa wood and actually make these little pillars here on the porch out of balsa wood, just to give it more depth or dimension, you know, add more detail to it. And then got that one. So that's the stash ad. So anyways, all right guys, this one's starting to run a little bit long, so I'm gonna let y'all go. Y'all take care. Hope y'all get lots of bench time in, and I'll be back in a few weeks, and we'll get back to normal here and get back to building. Alrighty, so take care everybody, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye.